தமிழ்ல பேசலாமா இல்லாட்டி இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசலாமான்னு தெரியல. தமிழ் இல்லை இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசலாம். Hey guys, it's Kutima. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make mutta curry. Mutta curry is egg curry. So I think some people might think it's weird having egg in your curry, but in my culture, it's one of the norms. It's just a normal dish that we eat. So I mean, don't hate it until you try it. Okay, so if you've been watching my other videos, you probably have realized that I've been using the exact same spices for every curry I've been making so far. That's because 1, I'm lazy, 2, I live in halls for only the first year, so I don't want to invest in the spice world until I move into a proper flat. Plus, you can make some pretty decent curry using these staple spices. Unfortunately, I'm running out of fresh ingredients in my fridge, so I'm having to use coriander in powder form. But if you have fresh coriander, use that instead. It makes so much of a difference. Just add some chopped coriander right at the end, as a topping. It's so good. Usually, I would have added chopped fresh tomato, but like I said before, I'm running out of ingredients, so I've been using tinned tomatoes, but it's fine, it still tastes good. This is leftover tomato sauce from making pasta.
Aale Saachuputta kannala ayyo thangala ennala moocha vaangi pora munnala peche ninniruchu tannala nenjukulla pallanguri kundikittu aadura nutiyetta kondangada pipiyatta edura na 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 காணாம போனேன்டா கொய்யால என்னமோ ஆச்சுடா மையால தலைகீழா நடக்கிறேன் கையால இப்போ மென்டலா ஆயிட்டேன் அவளால
What I'm doing right now is just using chili powder and turmeric powder to fry the eggs with. It's just to add extra flavor and texture to the eggs, making it spicy and crispy on the outside.
பல்லாங்குழி குந்திக்கிட்டு ஆடுறா நூத்தியட்டா கொண்டாங்கடா பிப்பியத்தான் எதிரா.
The milk is just to lessen the spice because it was a little bit spicy and for it to be a bit creamier. But you know, you don't have to add the milk if you don't want to.
Na 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 காணாம போனேன்டா கொய்யால என்னமோ ஆச்சுடா மையா.
Personally, for me, my meal is never complete without poppadoms. Like, my mom knows I am crazy about poppadoms. Like, every time she makes curry, like, there has to be a plate of poppadoms right there. But, you know, she actually gave me some to take all the way to Edinburgh. So, yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.